everybody! We are introducing today our new range of foam pads and abrasive pastes T-BRITE by Trem, made exclusively for Trem from one of the most important European manufacturers. The T-BRITE foam pads are divided in one rough woolen cover pad with an inner part made in fiberglass and Velcro for easy connection to the baking pad. Three kinds of foam pads: blue, soft, orange, medium, and yellow, hard, for the different polishing phases. One soft bubbly foam pad. All the foam pads include a rear part with Velcro for easy connection to the baking pad. We also have a microfiber cloth for polishing wax. We also have four kinds of abrasive pastes and wax: abrasive pastes, finishing polish, protective polish and wax, cleaning wax. For every single kind of products is indicated the kind of foam pad we recommend.